Hello, students. Today I am going to make an announcement about the rebranding of my coaching classes. Every journey begins with a vision. What started as Moumita Chakraborty Classes was built on passion, dedication, and a dream to make commerce simple and powerful for every student. Today we are growing with expanded expertise in accounting, finance, and theory, backed by a stronger structure and a bigger mission. We proudly introduce Chakraborty Commerce Academy. Same dedication, same personal guidance, stronger foundation, bigger vision. This is more than just a name change. It is the evolution of stronger academic identity. Welcome to Chakraborty Commerce Academy. Thank you for watching, students. In the next video, I'm going to introduce to the team member of my coaching classes. I also introduce myself and my coaching classes